Open. Close.
Open. Close.
Open. Closed.
Introducing the Yale SCHLAGE, a lock so smart you can use your phone to remotely control and monitor your door from anywhere. And you can always use an entry code on the keypad. The Yale SCHLAGE and levers come in various finishes to fit your door's style.
Lockily Flex Touch, PGD7Y, Installation Guide. This procedure will assist you with installing the lock set step by step. Installation generally takes less than 30 minutes. If you have any questions, please visit lockily.com/support or call 669-500-8835 for help. Let's take a look at everything in the box. To complete this installation, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a tape measure or ruler. Let's start now. Preparation. Remove any existing lock set from the door. Prep the door if necessary. Measure and confirm your door thickness is between 1 3/8 of an inch to 2 inches. The cross bore hole must be 2 1/8 of an inch diameter. The edge bore hole must be 1 inch diameter. The back set should be 2 3/8 of an inch or 2 3/4 of an inch. Adjust deadbolt and install. Measure the back set. The deadbolt comes set to 2 3/4 of an inch. For 2 3/8 of an inch back set, adjust the length of the deadbolt. Deadbolt slot must align to the center of the door hole. Extend the deadbolt by inserting a flathead screwdriver into the slot and turning clockwise. Attach the deadbolt into the door using 2 screws, K. Make sure that the right side is up and the slot is in the vertical position. Install exterior assembly. Make sure the torque blade is in the vertical position. Place assembly and torque blade through the deadbolt slot, and guide connection cables through the crossbore hole under the deadbolt. Align and secure until flush to exterior door surface. Install interior assembly. With adhesive strips, align and secure mounting plate, D. Guide connection cable through and secure to the lower left notched hole. Insert, tighten by hand 2 screws, G, located on the left and right of the blade. Check alignment and tighten with screwdriver. Use the key to ensure deadbolt locks and unlocks smoothly, no binding or rubbing. When finished, leave the deadbolt extended and remove the key. Plug the cable coming through the mounting plate into the interior assembly. Make sure that the plug is oriented correctly, matching the red side of the plug to the red side of the socket on interior assembly. Tuck cable under eyelet hooks and route to the right on interior assembly. Ensure the thumb turn is vertical. Place the interior assembly against the mounting plate and make sure the torque blade is inserted to the thumb turn shaft. Secure the interior assembly to the mounting plate with 2 screws, I. Install batteries. With the door open and the deadbolt fully extended, insert 3 batteries only. Press and hold the program button. Continue to hold and install the 4th battery. The lock will automatically start self-check. Release program button once check starts. If the lock is not properly installed, it will open and close repeatedly. Once self-check completes, ensure the lock operates smoothly by manually locking and unlocking the door using the thumb turn on the interior assembly. Install the battery cover, H, and secure it with screw on top. Install door strike. Use the supplied door strike or use your existing as long as the deadbolt operates smoothly without binding or catching. Congratulations, this concludes the installation of the Lockily Flex Touch Lock Set. To complete its setup, download the Lockily app from the App Store or Google Play. Register and/or log in to your account and follow on-screen instructions for adding a new lock.
With August Smart Lock, your phone is now your key. August lets you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. It's that easy. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. And with August's proprietary DoorSense technology, you'll know your door is both closed and locked. Create secure temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.